quick and simple strategy today. You just got to follow through these steps and you got to repeat them. Set everything properly, guys, and you will see that income coming to you each month. So hit subscribe and let's go. Now, there's going to be involvement from two different websites. First one is going to give you these fast payments, and the second one is going to give you the money for each click. So the first one is called Ally, and you can earn money by sharing short links. Now, this is a link monetization website. So basically, you will paste a long URL in this box, and you will get a shorter URL for yourself, which you can then share. And whenever someone clicks on it, you get some money. This website is called al.ly, and it's a link shortening website. You can just click on Google and you can just type in Ally shortener, just like here, and then just click on the first one, earn money by sharing short links. Now, when you go to Ally, you can click on the payout rates button, which is over here. And then in here, you will actually see that, for example, from Greenland, you will get $21 per each 1,000 views, but for Netherlands, it's 7.33. Now, it is impossible, almost impossible, to target the views from Greenland because that's in the middle of nowhere. If you actually look on the map, Greenland is over here, and you can see this whole bunch of eyes. No one actually lives here. Well, there are some people in these like small towns here, but it is way easier to just go to Netherlands and target the views from here. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to target those, and we're going to get the money from two different sources. So let's start. First of all, of course, just make yourself an account on Ally. Okay, that's going to be way fast if you just click on the Google, log in inside of this, and that's going to be it. Now, when you get inside, you are presented with your dashboard. Okay, so now you got to take that link, you got to paste a long URL in here, so you can click on the shorten button, and then it will make you money. But which link and how can we target the Netherlands? Okay, so that's what I'm going to give you right now. First of all, connect to a website which is called cpagrip.com. Now, cpagrip.com gives you some links, and it involves in some CPA offers. Now, if you don't know what CPA offers are, well, that's a thing that whenever someone clicks on something and they complete a certain action, such as human verification or some CAPTCHA or some email address editing, well, that's going to give you the money for it. So it's a simple strategy, and if you go to cpagrip.com and if you click on the register button, you will have this simple information to complete, and this is important. This publisher tab is important. You have to select GPT because those are the kind of offers that we can run today. No others. Okay, so complete this and log in inside of this. Now, when you log in inside of this, you will actually see that this dashboard has a lot of things on it. First of all, you have this chat window where you can get a lot of help. Firstly, I got a lot of help from these guys. They're really helpful. They share their strategies. And actually, I learned something about today's strategy from these people inside of this chat window. So be sure and be free to ask for help whenever you feel stuck. But today's strategy is going to be simple and straightforward. So for now, we can just use this to see how much money people are making all time with these leads. But of course, you won't get $1,000 today. For this, you will actually need to spend some more time. But of course, you can, for example, be like this guy. You can get $75 in one day if you just follow through this strategy. So what do you got to do? Click on the offer tools here. When you click on the offer tools, click on my offers. And in here, you're going to get a lot of these offers, which you can take. And for example, for this one, you will get $2 whenever someone enters their email address. So that's how easy it is. They will enter the lottery for this PayPal gift card, and they just need to enter their email address to participate. And for each one of those signups, you are getting $2. So that's how easy this is. But of course, you can see that there's USA flag here, so this is for United States offers. But we have decided to target these from the Netherlands. Okay, so we need that traffic. We need the traffic for Netherlands if we're going to utilize Ally as well. And we're using that because we want to maximize the profits that we can get from this strategy. So when you go to CPA Grip, you can choose a country in here. Of course, you can do it in whichever country, but today, as I've told you, we want to maximize the profit, so we're going to use Netherlands. So now, search for the offer, which is email zip submit, because these are the easiest ones. people need to only enter the email address. For example, for this one, people need to enter credit card information, and that's way harder, okay? It is true that you're gonna get a lot more money if people just enter credit card information, but that's harder. So you can just click on the category section in here, and you can choose email, zip, submit, and you're gonna get only those offers. So now choose the one which gives you the most amount of money. So this is the one. You can see $1.71 for each one of those emails. So click on this one, and I don't know what this is because I don't know Dutch language. I can guess that it is something about iPhone 14, but I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this title, I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm just gonna go to Google Translate in order to help me. So I'm just gonna choose Dutch. I'm just gonna find the Dutch in here. There it is, and I'm gonna paste that in here, and you can see grab your iPhone 14 now. So we now know what this is about. This means that whenever someone enters their email address, they can participate in the lottery to get this iPhone, okay? So we know what it is. So we can now copy this link into our clipboard, and then we can go back to Ali Shortener, and we're gonna paste that link in here, and we're gonna shorten this one. Now we have a shortened link. So look what happens. Whenever someone clicks on this link, you are getting the money from Ali because there's going to be some ads. They can, of course, skip the ads, but you are getting the money for each click. And then when they just land in here, you're going to get $1.71 for each emails. So this is one source of income, and this is the second source of income. So we have combined these. All we need to do now is we need to find the traffic from Netherlands. And of course, for that, I suggest using Facebook.com. And you can search for these groups. And once again, we can just switch this. We can search for some giveaways groups. So I don't know how to say giveaway in Dutch, so I'm just going to use Google Translate again. And giveaway, it's going to be like this. I don't know how to pronounce this, but we don't care. We just have to copy this. We have to go back to Facebook, and we have to tap that in, and we're going to see that there's going to be a lot of these groups based on that. So just take a look at this. This one has 5,000 members. Okay, this one has 1,000 members. And these two are all that you need. You can, of course, go down and find a bit more. For example, this one has 32,000. But just start with these, and you will see that you will get a lot of responses. And of course, you don't have to know Dutch. Just go inside of these groups and find a picture of iPhone, for example, just like these people are doing, and then paste that link in here, okay? You can, of course, put this in the title of your post on Facebook so people can actually know what this is about. So whenever someone clicks on it, you get the money from Ali, and of course, you get $1.71 from this offer on CPA Grip. So that's the whole strategy, guys. I hope you like it, and I hope you're gonna do it. Go and do it, take the action, and I'll catch you.